VMware NSX Cloud provides customers the ability to abstract and manage networking and security policies in public cloud environments such as Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. Hi, I'm Doug Vare with VMware, here to introduce a new lab, NSX Cloud Consistent Networking and Security across Enterprise, AWS, and Azure. This lab is for beginners and advanced users of vSphere with a strong network focus. Working through all of the material and exercises in this lab takes just over 3 hours. However, it is not necessary to run through all material in one sitting. The modules vary in length from 15 to 60 minutes and can be completed independently of one another. Using applications deployed with minimal security in AWS and Azure, we'll explore how VMware NSX Cloud provides operational consistency by bringing an existing cloud environment under NSX management and providing microsegmentation to native workloads running in these public clouds. As companies move workloads into public clouds, they require a way to extend their SDDC network and security policies into these public environments. VMware NSX Cloud provides companies with the ability to extend enterprise security, compliance, and governance. This extension allows workloads to run in public clouds with the same native controls they have present in on-premises data centers. During exercises in this lab, you will interact with the public cloud provider's native management consoles and review the public cloud inventories in the NSX Cloud Services Manager. Using a pair of applications, one cloud native and another hybrid, you'll perform these steps required to connect and secure them using NSX Cloud. NSX provides solutions for the top networking and security challenges companies face in public cloud environments. Network and security policy inconsistency. NSX provides consistent constructs and policies across public clouds using one UI and API entry point. For cloud-specific security policies, NSX supports dynamic security policies based on VM attributes, which can span environments, regions, and public clouds. For the challenge of traffic visibility, NSX provides traffic visibility using widely adopted technologies such as syslog and port mirroring. Additional NSX tools such as Traceflow work in public cloud environments as they do in on-premises data centers. Existing tools and processes that work with NSX can be leveraged across different public cloud providers. You can take this lab now by visiting hol.vmware.com and searching for NSX Cloud, or 2227-01-NET. Remember, all labs are free and available 24/7. There is nothing to install, and you can return and take the lab as often as you like. Learn more about NSX Cloud by visiting vmware.com. Also, check out pathfinder.vmware.com to find many VMware product experiences in one place, so you can easily learn and evaluate VMware solutions for your organization. Thank you, and enjoy your lab.